Hey guys, welcome to Jody Ski School and Wrapped Roots. It's the first day of competition, first 2 rounds, and we're super excited to be hosting our first event here at Jody Ski School. We've got 36 contestants that's going to ski 2 rounds, and probably 10 of them are grassroots, which have only been skiing for a few months, and this is their first competition. And then we roll into Class C with some skiers that have been enthusiasts now for probably 3 to 5 years, and we're super excited to have them here on site with us. We're here at Wrapped Roots, and we couldn't do this without our sponsors, our major sponsors. We've got Romac Building Supply and Nautique of Orlando, along with a bunch of other smaller sponsors which have all helped out. Thule, Swag Sportswear, Get Your Lake On, Full Sports Company, DV8 Motorsport, and of course the money raised outside of the auction will go to straight towards our charity to help grow the sport.